So today I want to try something a little different just to kind of see how it works. Thought about doing some videos about one-handed power tools, which is important to me because, this hand I don't have a lot of dexterity in it. I own this hand. It's on my body, but for all practical purposes, I'm a one-handed guy after stroke. But I still use power tools. One thing I wanted to show you today was these reciprocating saws are really made for two-handed people. You're either supposed to put one hand up here or one hand under here to support it. It's a little heavy on the wrist to work. Now, I can operate this thing. Here, I'll show you. If I put this on this block of wood and make a little cut, yeah, I can do it, but it's pretty tough. What I found is this guy does everything I needed to do. And this is everything from maybe sawing rusty bolts off a car or cutting wood, trimming trees, demolition, whatever. This is a hacksaw. It's from Milwaukee tool. It's a little guy. It's got the M12 battery in it, but it's almost like you're cutting turkey or something. It's a pretty neat little tool. Now I've got a short blade on it right now, which came with the hacksaw, but I'm going to go ahead and put one of the longer blades on here to show you that you can indeed use regular Milwaukee Sawzall blades on this tool, and we're going to cut this block of wood. Alright, so this blade is considerably longer. Let's see what we can do. And there you go. Good thing I got my shop vac out because I made a mess. But yeah, as you can see, I used it with one hand, no problem. Yeah, you got to have a little bit of strength. And you can let it do a lot of the work for you, but I was putting downward pressure on it to help the cut. That's just my technique, but you could absolutely just kind of, let it do the work for you. I'm putting no pressure on it right now. I'm just cutting. Or very little pressure, I guess. A little bit, but not nearly as much as I was before. Now, it's not going to cut as well as, let's say, the 20-volt Craftsman stuff or the M18 Milwaukee stuff when it comes to reciprocating saws, but it works very well for what I want to do. So there you go. One-handed power tools. Do you like this video? If you do, let me know in the comment section. I'm also trying to figure out what to call these videos. The handicapped handyman? What do you call these things? I don't know. So whether you have arthritis in one hand, or you got a cast on, or you're disabled like me, here's a cool power tool option for you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.